되면 라보도 가래더니 나야 샤모고 듣고 지야도 강래잖아. 나 사지 탐지가 차비인데 지금도 사지 탐지 차비들이 이렇게 저게 아메라보도 지금 사지 탐지를 풀고 상고를 돼.
And so Rinpoche says the reason why you might wonder why I'm wearing this fancy hat when we offer the mandala. So the reason is because during the mandala offering now I am representing all the Buddhas of the 3 times. And when you are offering the mandala, therefore you should also think I'm offering this mandala to all the Buddhas of the 3 times.
되면 앞에 살이 사제 잡지 빼가지 고소서는 나팔을 좀 홍제봐도 배요상 이들이 다시 너무 답지 캐리 된 저기 왕 무슨 거지야 되는 사제 잡지 된 하다 한번 마보트는 매일 되는 가로말 막 왕고 그거 드리고 온 거요. 마치고 라고 받고 걸어 톡통삼이 그 말이지.
So then once we have offered the mandala, then the Buddhas are very happy about that. And so now think that all those Buddhas have appeared before me like massing clouds. And then also in their presence, you are then taking the samayas and the vows and so on. And then when we come to the actual empowerment ritual, then also think that there are countless Buddhas and those empowerment deities who then come to confer the empowerment, holding vases in their hands, conferring the empowerment into the crown of each and every one, each and every being. So that means that you shouldn't just think of yourself receiving the empowerment, and also not just think that it's just when you have received this vase on your crown, the physical vase, then that's when you have received the empowerment.
데려다 다도 문내더니 대사를 데려다 삼아 다고니 이제 대사에 이제 대회더니 참참한 왕권들이 배 라마 짜치보고 상구요래 라마 장인이들 왕상이 요상구요래 대사에 집에 가다 제가 왕그 주바요는 정도 라마 장이 요 말이 사람들 사제 탐지가 나고 요사디 가다 다와 통보 탐지를 왕그 주바고 전에 장이 요 말이더니 대사를 하고 오 사람 탐지 라마 신랑나들이 사람 나무도 고쳐서 찍바래 남관이들 라시 받으면 난그 요래에서 대고나 그리고 왕 강신을 뺀데 받침 보여야 돼.
And so that is the real way to receive the empowerment. And so the secret mantra, the empowerment is also conferred by means of symbols. So sometimes people think when it comes to receiving an empowerment, taking an empowerment, that it has to be taken from a very precious Lama. And so then they think that there are better and worse empowerments and better and worse Lamas who give empowerments. But actually, if you really understand the highest view, and if you understand the lineage and so forth, then you really understand that there is no better and worse actually. It all really is the same. If you understand that, you know that actually, no matter which Lama confers the empowerment, the 3 jewels, the blessings are always the same. The deities in the sky who confer the empowerment are always the same. And so if you understand that, then whichever empowerment you receive, the power will be great.
이제 다다 소소형들이 가서 갈렙도 보면 또 왕수도 배요래 리자를 뭐 자와 탐지 진바다 까마바들이 라마교신 서비스의 왕네 저희는 나고는데 왕들이 쇼요 왕이 제발 뻗잖아 소식 대바 쏘셔버려 되니 다다 왕수도 요바 용어서 봐 탐지 저희는 왕들이 문에서 덮고요래 되니 왕 톱에 소속에 탐색들이 지버리 탐색이 삼지리 라그 정말 이거 좋은 정들이 감선생지를 와서 거든 담책도 저기 지버리마다 왕민의 장이 주인의 토크요래 롱토크요래 대성고 말이지.
And also, for example, like myself, I also can't always go to different places to receive empowerments. And I do want to receive different empowerments from masters like His Holiness the Dalai Lama or His Holiness the Karmapa and so on. And nowadays it is also often live streamed or also kept, we can watch it on TV. And that is also a way to receive the empowerment. And in fact, there is no difference at all. It makes no difference whether you receive the empowerment over the TV or in person. person, because what is important to receive an empowerment is your faith and your wish to receive the empowerment. And so for this reason, those who really want to receive the empowerment, those who follow us from afar, they are actually receiving the empowerment. And for the empowerment, what is actually most important is the samaya, to keep the samaya. And the samaya is love, loving kindness. And that begins with those companions, those people that are close to you, those near you. That's where you start. And then you extend that. You expand that until it reaches all sentient beings in the 3 realms of samsara. So keeping the samaya is most important when taking an empowerment. And now for all these reasons, you can receive an empowerment or also a transmission from TV or from live stream, and there is no doubt about that.
지는 답정만 쓴 거요래. 대답했더니 진도 송부터는 기술적으로 송부터는 야적으로 송부터는 되니 다를 송부터는 대송 계속 가서 송 조고요래 손 비용삼 좀 잡아야지. 기술적으로 송나 비용되요래지.
So then we come to supplicating the deities that abide in the sky before us. And those supplications that we repeat are also very important. It's very important to actually hear the various samayas that we are taking, because especially here there's all various different samayas explained here. But then even if you're not able to keep all those samayas all the time, you can, for example, keep them for 1 hour or for 24 hours or for 1 month. You keep it for however long you can, and the benefits really are incredible. Even if you just keep those samayas for 1 hour, there are benefits.
같이 주다 뜬바데 로봉 주는 공서설 장첩 전부 설생바 구보 전보 난찰로 당색 대니 나라솔 장첩 샘장 나라솔 상계 주당 개등대 잡선 바장 나라솔 탈바 전부 종교的공부 나는 욕도서.
Then in English, great joyful one, my teacher, master, please consider me, Supreme Master, who guides on the path to great awakening. Please grant me samaya, grant me the mind of bodhicitta, grant me the 3 refuges of Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha. Protector, let me enter the exalted city of great liberation.